all operations with integers or any signed numbers. So here we have multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. So we need to look closely to see, I don't actually see any division here. So we need to look and see what operation we're doing, and then we have to remember our individual rules. So I'm going to demonstrate this. Here we have multiplication. With multiplication and division, we use our idea that there's two negatives and one positive unless they're all positive. So negative times positive is negative. I know it looks funny with all these parentheses. That's just to show you what's positive and what's negative. It's good to be used to seeing it all different kinds of ways. Multiplication, negative times positive. That's not adding 5, it's a negative 5 times a positive 5. Usually we don't write the plus, but here it's there. That will be negative 25. You can pause and try some of these on your own and then check and make sure you're on the right track. So here we have subtraction. We don't want subtraction. We want addition. So we're going to keep, change, change. And now we have 1 plus 9. Again, subtraction. We're going to keep, change, change to add the opposite. And we have 8 plus 2. Again, keep, change, change. So that's negative 7 plus negative 2. Same signs add, same signs keep the sign. Yay, we have addition. We want addition. Same signs add, same signs keep the sign. Subtraction. We don't want subtraction. So keep, change, change. All right, so now we have negative 8 plus negative 6. Same signs because they're both negative. Add and keep the sign. This is times, even though we see all these pluses here, it looks a little confusing, but this is just 8 times 4. It's all positive, just like in elementary school. Same signs add and keep the sign. Multiplication, positive times negative is negative. Just pointing at the triangle to bring your attention to that. And then 2 times 4 is 8. That's negative 8. Yay, addition. We want addition. So different signs, positive and negative, subtract and keep the sign of the larger. 9 wins. It has a larger absolute, so we give its sign to the answer, and then we subtract 8 from 9. Okay, we're going to keep, change, change. Different signs. Negative 7 plus 3. Different signs subtract, keep the sign of the larger. Addition, same signs, negative plus negative is negative, and then we add the numbers. Positive 6 times positive 3, same as it was in 3rd grade. Positive 3 plus negative 8. Different signs subtract, sign of the larger. Okay. Same signs add, keep the sign. This is adding, so we have negative 3 plus positive 1. Different signs subtract, sign of the larger. Then now we have multiplication, so we switch gears in our head. Negative times negative is positive, and then we just do the numbers multiplied like normal. Positive times negative is negative. Multiply the numbers. Different signs, negative plus positive. Subtract, sign of the larger, 9 wins. Negative times negative is positive. And you can always sketch out your little triangle to remind you. That's a good thing to have whenever you're working on multiplication or mixed operations, so you can remind yourself. Division, same as multiplication. Negative divided by negative is positive. Positive times positive is positive. Keep, change, change, because we want addition. Different signs subtract. Sign of the larger. Multiplying, negative times positive is negative. Keep, change, change. Same signs add, keep the sign. Negative times positive is negative. Different signs subtract, sign of the larger. Different signs subtract, sign of the larger. And division, negative divided by positive is negative. 3 divided by 3 is 1.